You're not tired. You're comfortable. You're not lost. You've just been living soft for too long. And every single day you keep feeding the weakness inside you, pretending it's self-care. You know what's killing men today. Comfort. Discipline is gone. Hunger is gone. Fire is gone. Men talk about purpose, but can't even wake up when the alarm rings. You scroll, you dream, you talk, but you don't move. You're waiting for motivation like a child waiting for permission. Guess what? No one's coming to save you. Not your friends, not your parents, not even God's plan. It's all on you. You say you want success, but your actions scream weakness. You can't call yourself strong when you give up after one bad day. You can't call yourself disciplined when your phone owns your attention. You can't call yourself a man when your emotions control you more than your mind. You've been lied to. The world told you that it's okay to be soft, that you should take it easy. But that's how they break you. Slowly. They turn you into another distracted, dependent, emotional shell of a man. If that hit you, good. That means there's still something inside you that wants to fight. But you've been drowning that voice under comfort and excuses. If you've ever felt like you're stuck, I'm talking to you. If you've ever looked in the mirror and hated what you've become, you know exactly what I mean. And if you're still listening right now, it means deep down, you're not done yet. You want more. You need more. Because every man reaches a point where he realizes, I can't live like this anymore. That's the moment your real life begins. Not when it's easy. Not when it's fun. But when it's painful. And you still keep moving. The only way out is through pain. Through discipline. Through silence. Through rejection. You have to break your own comfort. Train your mind like your life depends on it. Because it does. Wake up early. Lift something heavy. Turn your phone off. Say no to weakness. Say no to excuses. Say no to your old self. You don't need more motivation. You need more scars. You need more failure. You need more of that raw struggle that builds a man's soul. Stop talking about being ready. You'll never be ready. Start doing it anyway. If this message hit you, prove it. Drop a "no more weakness" in the comments. Hit that like button right now if you're done living soft. And share this with someone who's still asleep. Because he needs this wake-up call more than you know.